Top of 2 p.m. we cut across to breaking news coming in as Sameer Wankhede has spoken to Republic, making a clear statement that the attackers will not be allowed to escape and that this attack will be taken very seriously, adding that even their vehicle was damaged in this attack. And Sameer Wankhede says they will not let them attack the agencies. Remember, the NCB team was targeted when they were conducting a raid. This happened in Goregaon, an FIR that has also been filed in the Goregaon police station. And a strong statement coming in from Sameer Wankhede, NCB zonal director, who's been leading who have been involved in the procurement and distribution of drugs, many of them who have been arrested, and so many other names that are under the scanner of the NCB. NCB officials who were targeted by drug peddlers and 50 to 60 men who carried out this attack. Let's listen into what Alisha is saying.
अधिकारी है उनको पर हमला करना कहीं ना कहीं पर अब सवाल जरूर उनकी सुरक्षा पर उठते हैं। क्या महाराष्ट्र सरकार अब उन पर सुरक्षा को लेकर कोई आगे की कार्रवाई करेगी? क्या उनको सुरक्षा दी जाएगी? क्योंकि नारकोटिक कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की टीम की ओर से हम लगातार देख रहे हैं कि दिन हो या शाम हो या रात हो, किसी भी वक्त में हर समय नारकोटिक कंट्रोल ब्यूरो की ओर से लगातार जो है यहाँ पर कार्रवाई की जा रही है। हर उस ड्रग पेडलर पर पहुंचे जा रहे हैं, हर उस ड्रग पेडलर को पकड़ा जा रहा है, हर वो नशीली पदार्थ को बरामद की जा रही है। पर काफी एक देख रहे हैं कि जो मॉब यहाँ पर पहुंचे 50 से 60 लोग जो है वो खुद उस जगह पर पहुंचे थे और वहीं पर 6 अधिकारी जिसमें खुद समीर वानखेड़े मौजूद थे, उन पर हमला किया गया, उनके गाड़ी को डैमेज किया गया। इस तरीके के जो हमला की गई उसके साथ ही जो 2 ऑफिसर हैं, एनसीपी के जो 2 ऑफिसर हैं वो जो है वो जख्मी बताए गए। फिलहाल उनकी कंडीशन स्टेबल है जहाँ तक एनसीपी के सूत्रों से जहाँ पर हमने बात की। पर इस तरीके का हमला होना एक एनसीपी जो कि लगातार काम कर रही है और फिर चाहे बॉलीवुड नेक्सस को लेकर हो, ड्रग नेक्सस को लेकर हो या फिर टीवी एक्टर के ड्रग नेक्सस को लेकर हो, हर उस शिकंजे पर खुद पहुंच रही है एनसीबी।
All right, that's Alisha getting us the details, and Atul is also joining us on the phone line. Atul, Sameer Wankhede making a strong statement to Republic saying that even their cars were damaged during this attack, and most importantly saying that the agency is taking this attack very seriously. Those responsible for it will not be spared.
Well, definitely he spoke to me and said that he is taking this matter very seriously. He has spoken to each and every members of his team and also has spoken to the other agencies. He said that he had gone to conduct a raid and the people who were involved in, supplying the drugs were already had known that the NCB team is coming and 3 or 4 or 5 people will be caught. So definitely it was a pre-planned attack which happened yesterday night. So definitely now Sameer Wankhede is giving a strong message to those who are involved in the drug trafficking that he is not scared of them and he will again come and will conduct raid and will arrest them. Definitely this kind of a strong statement coming from directly the General Director of the NCB Mumbai, Sameer Wankhede, that this is the attack on NCB and they are not scared of anyone. They will continue conducting raids, they will continue busting the rackets, and those who are behind the attack will not be, escaped. 3 persons have been arrested. Those who are on the run will be caught very soon. And Sameer Wankhede is giving this message to the society as well, that as long as they are in Mumbai, the society will be safe. As long as they are in the Mumbai, the drug peddler will not be able to thrive. So definitely Sameer Wankede's morale is up, and he's speaking to his, team members. He's saying that first attack will be on me, and then we will again go and will conduct raids. If the people are coming in groups, 50, 60, so definitely it was a pre-plan and nothing can, stop them, discharging their duties. So this kind of morale coming from Sameer Wankhede, which is a very good positive, and because when yesterday the team was attacked, there are possibilities that sometimes it happens, the team doesn't go to conduct another raid. But Sameer Wankhede has spoken to each and everyone that no drug peddlers should be escaped, and those who are on the run will be, caught very soon.